Hey guys, so Google just sent over a mystery teampixel box. Now, I think I know one of the things in here, but I'm not sure about the rest. So let's go check it out. Oh, and on the front we have teampixel. Alright, so we got the Pixel 3a, and it's the white version. So I'll do an unboxing for this in about 2 minutes. We also got a Popsockets, which I haven't heard of, but it appears to be a phone grip and stand. So once again, I will demo it. Okay, so apparently the 3A comes with a free month of Google Fi. We got a little teampixel info card, a Pixel 3a case, alright, and we have a teampixel bag. So let's get to the phone. Alright, so of course a big thank you to teampixel for sending it. So we have the regular 3A white version. Now this retails for $400, and there's also the Excel version for $480. So right on top we have the 3A. And some instructions, your manuals. So we have a SIM card ejector, some Google stickers. And we also got a Type-C cable, a USB to Type-C converter. Fortunately, no headphone jack converter because we do have a headphone jack with it, unlike the regular 3. And also a power adapter. Pretty nice one. It is a quick charge. Alright guys, let's check out the phone. Note guys, it's taken me about 4 hours to record this video, just because they're hammering non-stop. But at a certain point I just have to record it. Thought they stopped for a sec. So sorry about the construction work. But yeah guys, I mean this actually looks really similar to the original 3A, or rather the original 3. I mean, it has a little different feel to it, of course, because it is polycarbonate. But yeah, I mean, I actually really like the look of it. Now, the headphone jack is on the top right there. We also have the volume rocker, the power button, the fingerprint. Oops, actually, did not put in my right fingerprint yet. And Type-C at the bottom. Okay, so for those of you who follow the channel, you know I don't focus on mid-range phones. The only exception is Sony. Now, that said, I actually do have a pretty strong opinion on this. So first let's do a brief comparison versus 3, and then I'll tell you my thoughts of the 3A. So starting with the displays. So with the 3A you have a 5.6-inch screen display, and the 3 is 5.5. Also it's G-OLED versus OLED. Now for the selfie cameras. So both of them have an 8MP camera. And for the regular 3, you have an additional wide angle Now, very important for the back. Both phones have the same 12MP camera. Of course, it's pretty awesome because it is an excellent camera. Now, internally, the 3 is a better chipset. Snapdragon 845 or 670. Both phones have 4GB of RAM. The 3 actually has a slightly larger battery at 3000 versus 2915. The 3 has an additional option for storage at 128 versus just 64. Both phones have fingerprint scanners on the back. So let's do a brief test here. The fingerprint. Both phones also have dual speakers, so we'll do a brief test here. So this is a 3. I mean, both sound really good here. Let me know what you prefer. Maybe the 3 is a little 4, but not a big difference. Now for some bigger differences. So the 3 has better build quality, metal versus polycarbonate. It also has wireless charging, and also it's water resistant versus splash resistant. Now that said, the A also has some advantages. So it has a headphone jack, and a big one, it is half the price. So my first thoughts, I definitely think the A is a much better deal. But that said, guys, I do have a lot of testing to do. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And I'll see you next video.